In this video, we are going to show you the perfect itinerary for the United Arab Emirates. One of the questions we get the most is how to build a logical itinerary that combines the futurism of Dubai, the cultural richness of Abu Dhabi, and the magical experience of sleeping in the middle of the giant dunes of the Liwa Desert. To do this trip without rushing, enjoying the theme parks, the beaches, and the Bedouin culture, we recommend at least 9 to 10 days. That is why we prepared a super complete 9-day itinerary with the best of this region detailed day by day. So let us get started. What is the best time to visit the Emirates? The rule here is to escape the extreme heat. The best time by far is winter from November to March. In these months, the temperature is pleasant between 68 and 86 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for walking and going to the beach. Summer from May to September is prohibitive. It reaches 120 degrees Fahrenheit and you cannot stay outdoors. Also pay attention to Ramadan, the holy month, where you cannot eat or drink in public during the day, which can alter the opening hours of attractions. And how many days to stay? To do this itinerary covering the two main cities and the immersion in the deep desert, the bare minimum we recommend is 7 days. But the ideal is 9 or 10 days. With 9 days, you can stay 4 nights in Dubai, 1 night in the desert, and 3 nights in Abu Dhabi, or do a day trip. Now let us talk about transportation. How to get around on this route. To arrive, you will fly directly to Dubai DXB. Internal logistics are very easy because the roads are perfect. Between Dubai and Abu Dhabi, the trip takes only an hour and a half. You can go by public bus leaving from Ibn Battuta, station hire a transfer, or our recommendation rent a car. Renting a car in the Emirates is cheap, and gas costs pennies. It is essential if you want to go to the Liwa Desert on your own. Within Dubai, combine the metro for long distances with taxi or Uber for the final mile as things are far from each other. Now let us get to the day by day. Day 1. The global icon, downtown Dubai. Arrive and check in at the hotel. Start your impactful trip at the Dubai Mall, the largest mall in the world. See the giant aquarium from the outside. It is free or pay to enter the tunnel. In the afternoon, go up the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world. Entrance to floors 124 and 125 costs about $50 to $70 depending on the time. The golden tip is to go up near sunset to see the city by day, the sun going down and the lights coming on. Go down and watch the dancing fountain show on the artificial lake. It happens every 30 minutes starting at 6 p.m. and is free. Have dinner at the Time Out Market nearby, which has a balcony overlooking the Burj Khalifa and excellent food. Day 2. The origin of everything. Old Dubai. Today is the day to see Old Dubai. Go to the Al Fahidi neighborhood and walk through the sand-colored buildings and wind towers. Visit the coffee museum. Walk to the edge of the creek, the canal, and take an abra, a traditional wooden boat, to cross to the other side Dera. It costs just 1 dirham, about 30 cents, and you pay cash to the boatman. On the other side, explore the Gold Souk Gold Market and the Spice Souk Spice Market. It is the place to buy saffron dates and negotiate a lot. End the day at the Dubai Frame, the giant golden frame that separates the old city from the new. The view from the glass floor up there gives you butterflies in your stomach. Day 3. Luxury and beach. Palm Jumeirah and Marina. Start the day by going up the View at the Palm Observation Deck. It is the only place where you see the palm shape of the artificial island perfectly. Take the monorail to the tip of the island to see the Atlantis Hotel and the Aquaventure Water Park. In the afternoon, go to the Dubai Marina. Walk along the boardwalk, see the yachts and the twisted skyscrapers. If you want a beach, go to JBR Beach right next door. It is a public beach with an open-air mall structure full of restaurants and camels to ride on the sand. For sunset, an incredible and expensive experience is the Aura Sky Pool, the highest 360-degree infinity pool in the world. Staying in a good region will make your trip much easier. The strategy on this route is to split accommodation or focus on Dubai. In Dubai, the best region for tourists is the Marina, or JBR, if you like the beach and nightlife. If you prefer shopping and a central location, stay in downtown. To save money, the Al Barsha region near the Mall of the Emirates is excellent, safe, and connected to the metro. In the desert, the luxury experience is Qasr Al Sarab, a hotel that looks like a castle in the middle of the red dunes. In Abu Dhabi, the Corniche region waterfront is great for luxury hotels, while Yas Island is ideal for those who want to be close to the Ferrari and Warner Parks. We created this personalized map that explains exactly which is the best region in each of these cities. Staying in this marked area, you cannot go wrong. We will leave here on the screen QR code and in the description the link to this map. We created them on the hotel site we always use, as it always has the best prices and free cancellation. And remembering that in this link below, we always organize everything you need to set up your entire trip for the lowest price. The sites we use to build our trips, and that have everything much cheaper, such as international eSIM, cell phone, chip to have internet essential for GPS discounted travel, insurance tickets for all the attractions we mentioned, good and cheap hotels. We have already stayed at the car, rental comparator, and the global account to carry dollars or dirhams. Save this page in your favorites. Day 4. The future and flowers. In the morning, visit the Museum of the Future. It is considered the most beautiful building in the world. The exhibition is about technology and sustainability in 2071. Attention tickets sell out 3 to 4 weeks in advance. Buy online. If it is winter, visit the Miracle Garden, the largest natural flower garden in the world. There are giant sculptures, plains, and castles covered in flowers. It is beautiful for photos. At night, go to Global Village. It is a gigantic complex with pavilions from more than 90 countries each, selling typical food and products. It is cheap fun and great for dinner and buying souvenirs. Day 5. Desert Immersion. Heading to Liwa. Rent a car and drive towards the Liwa Desert Empty Quarter, which is in the Emirate of Abu Dhabi, about 3.5 hours from Dubai. It is where the largest sand dunes in the world are located. Check in at a desert resort, such as Qasr Al Sarab or Tilal Liwa. If the budget is tight, there are simpler glamping camps. Spend the afternoon doing dune bashing, rallying on the dunes, riding a camel and watching the most orange sunset of your life. At night, the sky is a separate spectacle with no light pollution. Day 6. The Grand Mosque. Abu Dhabi. Wake up early to see the sunrise on the dunes. Drive towards the city of Abu Dhabi, about 2 hours from Liwa. Go straight to the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. It is the most beautiful mosque in the world, made of white marble gold and Swarovski crystals. Entry is free but requires online reservation. The dress code is strict. Women must cover hair, arms, and legs, nothing tight or transparent, and men must cover knees and shoulders. At night, visit the Wahat Al-Karama Memorial, which is in front of the mosque, and offers the best photo of the monument reflected in the water. Day 7. Culture and Palace. Visit Qasr Al Watan, the presidential palace. It is a new and opulent construction that shows the country's wealth. Everything shines with gold. Then go to the Louvre Abu Dhabi. The building, designed by Jean Nouvel, is a work of art floating on the sea with a dome that creates a rain of light. The collection tells the history of humanity. End the day walking along the Corniche, the waterfront boardwalk of Abu Dhabi. Day 8. Adrenaline on Yas Island. Abu Dhabi has an island just for fun. Yas Island. Choose 1 or 2 parks. Ferrari World has the fastest roller coaster in the world. Warner Brothers World is fully indoors, great for hot days, and has incredible Batman and Flintstones attractions. Yas Water World is an excellent water park. If you like Formula 1, visit the Yas Marina Circuit. You can even walk or cycle on the track on some days of the week. Day 9. Return and final shopping. Return to Dubai, an hour-and-a-half drive. Take advantage of the last hours for shopping. If you are looking for luxury, the Mall of the Emirates is quieter than the Dubai Mall and has the indoor ski slope. If you want cheap electronics and perfumes, go back to the Dera Souks. Head to the airport in advance. An important tip is to buy tickets for attractions in advance. The Museum of the Future and Burj Khalifa Sunset sell out weeks before. We will leave in the QR code on the screen and in the description the link to the site where we always buy tickets for the lowest price. It is the largest tour site in the world, and you buy in dollars, saving fees. Quick shopping tips. Gold in the Emirates is regulated by the government, so it is safe and pure, but the design is charged separately. Dates from the Batil brand are the local chocolate, a chic gift. Spices like saffron and cardamom are very cheap at the spice souk. And how much does it cost to eat? Dubai has everything. A street shawarma at Al Mala costs $5 and is delicious. A lunch in a food court costs $10. A dinner overlooking the fountains costs about $40 to $60. Remember that alcohol is only sold in hotels and is very expensive. A beer costs $12 to $15. And what to do at night? Dubai is vibrant. There are many beach clubs and rooftops. Blah Blah Dubai at JBR is huge and has several bars. White Dubai is a famous club. In Abu Dhabi, the night is quieter, concentrated in the Yas Island hotels. And if you are traveling with kids, it is a paradise. Kidzania at Dubai Mall. Legoland and Motion Gate are fantastic. The aquarium at the Atlantis Hotel is also unmissable. Mandatory documentation for international tourists. To enter the United Arab Emirates, the rules are great. Citizens of many Western countries do not need a visa for tourism free stamp on arrival. You just need a passport valid for at least 6 months. No vaccine is currently required. And remembering travel insurance. Medical costs in Dubai are among the highest in the world. A simple hospitalization can cost a fortune. We never travel without it, and in the link in the description there is the comparator we use. If you liked this detailed itinerary, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much and safe travels.